yun?
We finally come to the exciting part of our program, the announcement of winners. May I call on the chair of the Board of Judges, Mrs. Maria Marlena Mariano, to do the honor of announcing the winners. May we also request Ma'am Che and Sir Greg to please come up the stage to award the winners and Ma'am Lady and Teacher Joyce.
Good morning po sa mga parents. First of all, on behalf of the other members of the Board of Judges, we would like to congratulate all the learners, and especially the parents who really exerted their efforts. Congratulations po sa inyo lahat. So, I will first announce yung mga special awardees po. So first, Best in Costume, UNPD Ambassador.